All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful 2012 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle, 5.7 HEMI, two-wheel drive with 104,000 miles and only 822 idle hours. Original navy blue metallic from factory. Vehicle does have scratches. It does have about maybe, I think I counted about 3 door dings. Not very noticeable, but they are there. Vehicle has been completely serviced and it is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle does have a fresh new window tint that is going to be 20% all around. The one that the vehicle came with, when I got it, it was starting to bubble up and it was looking purplish, meaning no bueno. So I went ahead and took care of that. So yes, fresh new window tint. Folks, the paint on the vehicle looks super sharp, very shiny. Once again, it does have scratches and it does have a few door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle does have 3 holes on the roof. It was cheaper and easier for me to put the antennas on there. They're the actual antennas, so they are not going anywhere. So if you are planning to drive the car through the express car wash, those are gonna stay put. They're not gonna fly away. Also, the vehicle does have California plates. It has been registered to my name, so yes, the title, registration, and insurance, it's to my name. Do have one little tiny scuff mark on the rear bumper here. It's not very noticeable, but it's there. Folks, once again, I got to tell you everything I see on the vehicle. Before I forget, this particular unit did come with the full wheel covers when I first got it, and I decided to go with the dog dishes look. A lot of us out there do prefer this particular look rather than the full wheel covers. So yes, I do have the dog dishes on there. Those are semi-new. I bought them used on eBay from one of my sources. One working spotlight with a brand new Unity light bulb on there. I do have clear lights and lessons on the front. Folks, as you can see, you can see the 2 lights right there behind the grill. I got those to work. They are red and blue, but I went ahead and disconnected the wire. I just ran power to it with my meter just to see if they work, and they fire right up. And also, just so you know, there is a siren speaker right behind the grill as well. You can see it right there, but it's there. Okay, that's not working, but it was there when I first got the car, so I'm leaving that alone. Folks, the wheels, they do look new. They were not painted, but that's what was under the full wheel covers. I did have those degreased with acid, and they came out really good. Scratch right here. You can see that right there. Some scratches right here in the rear door. Let me move out of the way here. I'm always in the way. All right, let's get back to it. Gotta love my neighbors. Some scratches here. I suspected, once again, this is not a repaint. This is all original, okay? The original paint, folks. My detail crew came in today and they spent about 3 hours on this vehicle, cleaning it up, and needless to say, they did bring her back to life. So there she is, folks. Sorry about that. Let me just go throw that back there again. They did bring her back to life. Let's go inside before I get off track here and I lose my train of thought like I always do. Alright, here we go, folks. As you can see, I do have a vinyl rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with 4 matching OEM floor mats. Okay. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Nice floor mats. They did clean up pretty good. Driver's side seat is in decent, comfortable shape. 1 little tear right there from the gun handle, I guess. This had to be a gun handle. Passenger side seat is in perfect shape, as if anyone ever sat there. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Perfect dash, no holes. Everything is in order, everything is in place. Everything does work. The lights are on. Sorry about that. Let's turn those off. All right, the vehicle did came with three key fobs. I went ahead and put new batteries in them. The car was reading low battery in one of them, so to avoid the headache, I went ahead and had all three replaced with new batteries. Cleans up here for you guys again. 104,000 miles with 822 idle hours. That is all that I have on this particular car. 104 with 822 idle hours. That's what it has. Stereo does work. I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Air conditioner is nice and cold, as you guys know. You can control the AC right from your screen, or these buttons right here on the bottom. Okay, so there it is. Everything works. Let's get back to the radio. Honk does work, folks. Honk does work. Working red LED. Working white LED. All right. Am I forgetting anything in here? Cruise control does work. I already tried that. These buttons do work. I went ahead and pulled out the engine idle hours, factory Bluetooth, new Unity light bulb. You guys can see that right there. The one that came with the car was pretty yellowish, so I didn't like the way that one looked, and I had it replaced. Most of the work is done by me, so I do know exactly what's coming on and off out of my vehicles. And I'm able to give you very detailed information on what's happening. And as you can see, this is the trunk. I do have a full spare tire, matching wheel, and tire is going to be a Goodyear RSA. It appears to be in new conditions. It's got a new battery, folks. New battery. The vehicle did have a bad battery upon arrival, and this is something that I'm always ready for, so I did put a new battery on there. Let me hurry up here real quick. All LEDs do work. Everything is in order. Tires are in semi-new conditions, courtesy of the Highway Patrol. All right, new tires, courtesy of the Highway Patrol. This vehicle was a Highway Patrol unit, and I'm guessing it was a detective unit. 104 idle hours with 822. Correction, 104,000 miles with 822 idle hours. That's not a patrol car. Sorry guys, I'm getting stuck here doing multiple things at one time. 822 idle hours is not a patrol unit. This vehicle was babied, so I'm gonna say it was probably a detective unit for the Highway Patrol. Right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have 16 Champion OEM Iridium spark plugs, throttle body work service, full synthetic 520 oil change, full synthetic Mopar ATF transmission fluid service done on this particular unit. Super cold AC. Once again, it's got a new battery. The vehicle's super strong, very solid, no funny smells, no funny noises whatsoever. It appears to have a brand new water pump, courtesy of the Highway Patrol there. What do you know? Brakes are around 70% all around, so I went ahead and left those alone. And I also do have a brand new cabin filter before I forget. Brand new cabin filter, folks. Sorry, I keep losing focus here. There's so many things happening at one time here. There is nothing scripted. Everything is live. Information that I'm giving you, everything is live as I walk around the vehicle. Okay. Alright folks, once again, this is a 2012 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle, two-wheel drive with 104,000 miles and only 822 idle hours. And yes, this was a former highway patrol vehicle, and this had to be a detective unit or some type of special detail unit here. It does have minor scratches. It's got about maybe a few little door dings here and there, but nothing major, not very noticeable. The paint looks great, looks sharp, very shiny. The vehicle, it is blue during the day and it looks black at night, but this is like a navy blue metallic. I did took 2 sets of pictures, and I did took some pictures under the sunlight so you can see the color of the vehicle. And the rest, well, they were done regularly, so you can see that the car looks black over here as we speak, but it is not. It is actually blue. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I just want to thank you for staying with me for these 11 minutes here. I went overboard again, but there's a lot of ground to cover, and I want to make sure you know everything there is to know about this particular unit. The vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. If you should have any questions or comments, or you're interested in buying the car, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or let's talk about it. Serious inquiries only, please. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend. Please be safe. Thank you and take care.